Hey everyone, David here in the shop, and I want to touch base real quick with everyone on this plane stand. I got this actually from Jim out at the flight club. He gave it to me one year for a Christmas present, and I had a couple people ask about it. I don't take it to the field with me every time because it is foam, and on windy days, if you don't have a plane on it, it'll just blow off the table. But on good calm days, this works fabulous. This is my Force RC P51, minus a nose and a motor. Trolled it in. This was the first flight of the year, and trolled that bad dog in, and I doubt if I'll rebuild it. Alright, so what do we have here? We got the Robart Plane Stand, and I made a couple of modifications to mine. One of the things I did not like about it was these holders to keep your plane centered up on it. They just slip on. There's no way to attach them. So what I did is I just took a metal rod, heated it up. It was actually a paintbrush. I had a metal handle on it. Heated it up on the torch and just shoved it straight through. And then I got some toilet bowl mounts and just stick the bolt right through along with a nut on the back of it that comes with it. All that comes together. It can still rotate then, and you don't lose it. So I highly recommend that. These rubber pads, you really need to put them on with some shoe glue or something like that, because they just won't stick and stay on, from what I found. Now the other thing that I did, I really wanted to use this for night flying. So I hooked it up with some LED strips inside of the bars, and then I just put a little old 3-cell battery that was puffed and wasn't going to use for flying. And it comes, let me turn the light off so maybe you can see it a little better. Stand by. Alright, so maybe that'll come out a little bit better on the video. I put a red and a blue. You could use both the same color. I just thought I'd use these simply because it's what I had on hand. But I think this would work great for taking to the field for night flights. Our field recently, we're at an AMA sanctioned club field, and we just recently got it approved to do a couple hours of flying after sunset. So it works out fairly well. Not very expensive, probably under 30 bucks. And then an old LiPo battery and the light strips were, I think I picked them up at a hobby shop for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 bucks, something like that. Wasn't very much. But it works out pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching.